topic we will be seeing SQL injection through post method. I have explained what is get in post method in the earlier topic, so I'm explaining again what is post method. So suppose this is the website www.xyz.com. So if any data is being passed from this website to the server or the next web page or to another web page, the data that is passed is not through the URL bar, it is passed directly without any URL bar. It doesn't shows up in the URL bar. So catching this type of request, what we have to do, we have to use burp suite, and what we have to do, we have to sit in the middle of passing the data from our client side to the server side, and we'll be catching up in the middle. So let's see the website. So I'm going to this website called ptutors.in. So then we have this tutor sign up. So suppose it's asking for a username or email. I'm giving any credentials that I want. So before signing in, I have set up my proxy in the web browser, and what I will do, I will be using burp suite. I'm turning on my intercept on, and then I'm signing in now. So see, this is a request that we are getting here. So basically what we will do, I will copy this complete whole request and go to Kali and save it in a text editor, and I'll click on save. I will saving it in my desktop as SQL, any name you can give. So as you can see, it has been saved here. So let me open up my terminal. Let me do it take. So I'm sitting in the root, so I will go to the desktop first. Okay, in the desktop, so I will be typing my same command SQL map, but in replacing, I will be replacing that -u command with -r, that means for read, and I will be writing the file to be read here, that is sql.txt, and I will be giving the same command for database. So let's see, it has used some queries like boolean based, error based, and time based. So we have also got that backend DB is MySQL, and MySQL is greater than equal to 5.0. We have got many tables: information schema, MySQL, performance schema, ptutors DB, and fields. Let's go to ptutors DB. Database, that is ptutors DB, and then we will go for table. So it is trying to fetch tables for database ptutors DB. Let's see. So see, you can see one by one it is getting all the tables that is present in the database of ptutors DB. Okay, let's stop it here. There are many tables, I think. Okay, so for this thing I will be going on let's see, student details. I will be going for student details. Let's see if I can find any values inside student tables. That this is my table name, student underscore details, and then I will go for column, and then I will go for dumping. Let's see if we can find any database inside it, there are columns value inside it. You can see there are columns like student ID, name, user login name, password, and so on. So we have got this many columns inside it. Now as we have pressed the dump button, let's see how it is getting the values. Okay, see, one by one we are getting each and every values for the students. So it is one by one taking out each and every value present in the columns and dumping it. So let's stop it. I think it's gonna be a very big database. So if I stop it, as you can see here, it has dumped all the things that is present inside it. So that is how you will find you can do SQL injection through post method.